Okay, hi parents and students. This video is going to be posted to our Facebook page. It's also going to be in your Google Classroom and on Class Dojo, just so everyone has access to see what they need to do this week for week 2. So, I'm already in Google Classroom. If you need to see how to get onto Google Classroom, the week 1 video went over how to get to this page. So, I'm just going to start from here. So, if I am going to go ahead and go to a classroom, and your student will have one of the 3 math classrooms depending on what homeroom they're in. I'm going to use my homeroom for this video. Okay, so as of right now, when you log in, you're going to see the stream. So at the very top, it says stream. So that's what comes up first. So that's kind of where this shows what I've posted. Then if you go up here to classwork, it says week 2, March 23rd to March 27th assignments. I have uploaded 3 assignments for the week. So assignment 1, 2, and 3 are right here. And then I've also put in here a math game and decimal stations. These two the math game and the decimal stations are optional extra practice. So parents, if you want to print these out or do these games with your student, that's completely up to you. You can click on them. Oops, sorry. You can click on them. This week I did a math card game called Pyramid. And so it has instructions on how to play. So if you have a deck of cards at home, you can play this game. Or students could get some note cards and write numbers on the note cards and play. Just anything you have on hand at home. So I'm going to post a game every week. And then this is also extra practice. These are 2 different things. These are decimal cards, so you can print these off and put them in order or make problems out of from them. And then I also have these decimal stations. There's directions for each station, and then there's cards that go with it. Station 2. They can print these out and do these activities as well if they are wanting some extra practice or if you're wanting to do some more extra activities with them. So all 3 assignments this week are a Google form, which students have done before in class, and that's what they were doing last week as well. So this one you would click on assignment 1, view assignment. Oh, well, that takes me to that. So when you click on this, it's going to show you a Google form. All 3 assignments have a Google form, so I'm not going to go through all 3 assignments. So you would click on the Google form. It's going to have you fill out these questions. They're all short answer questions, so you need to put, your numbers in there for your answers. Okay? So that's assignment 1. Parents have been asking me how I'm getting or how they can get online work to me. If you're doing online assignments, then I'll go back to this. And you fill out all of these problems and you submit it. That's how I get your assignment. So then it would come over here and it would show me that you turned it in. Okay, so that's how I get that work. So classwork, and then this is all for week 2. If you are going to do a packet, you can turn in packet work through a picture. You can turn it in at the school, but we are not going up to the school for a week to pick anything up because of them wanting to limit contact from people. So they want the work to stay for about a week or so. That way, any germs or anything, we're not worried about all that. So, but this is week 2. These are the 3 assignments for the week. I have them due March 29th, which is Sunday. Okay. So that way I know some people, their, parents are home on the weekends. And so you might need the weekend to, give them technology or all that kind of stuff. So, um, if you have any questions, email me, comment on the video, and I'll do my best to answer any questions that you have. Make sure, if you can, if students can log on to Education Galaxy. It's also on the App Store. If you have a smartphone or a tablet, they can download it as an app and they can log minutes that way as well. So that's a great resource for online learning. And that's all I've got for this week, guys. Thank you.